Now, next article is confining radiation within the medium. According to question 27, the high energy radiation density rho nu is required to be present in the medium so that the stimulated emission dominates the spontaneous emission. This is a very important critical condition. If laser medium is enclosed in the between a pair of optically plane parallel mirrors, photon density build up to a very high value through repeated reflection of photon which remain within the medium. Such an arrangement is known as an optical resonant cavity or optical resonator. Now, see in this diagram, red is the mirror which is 100% reflecting. Then active medium and which is pumped, and again partially reflecting mirror, then laser beam produces. So in this case, when pumping, and it is optical cavity is shown, and when photon travels towards left hand side, then the reflected 100% from the mirror and start moving in right hand side. In right hand side, it is partially reflecting mirror. So some of the photon will again reflect, and in this way, number of times they reflected and produces more and more photons, and that creates a laser beam. The essential component of the lasers are: first is active medium, second is pumping agent, and third is optical resonator, which is shown in this diagram. Now, first is the active medium. What is active medium? Atoms are generally characterized by a large number of energy levels. However, all types of atoms are not suitable for laser operation. Even in a medium consisting of different species of atoms, only a small fraction of atoms of a particular type have energy level system suitable for the achieving population inversion. Such atoms can produce more stimulated emission than the spontaneous emission and cause amplification of the light. Those atoms which cause laser action are called active centers. The rest of the medium acts as their host and supports active centers. The medium hosting the active centers is called active medium, and it is called laser medium. So, an active medium is a medium which, when excited, reaches the state of population inversion and prominence, stimulated emission leading to the light amplification. Now, next is the pumping. For achieving and maintaining the condition of population inversion, we have to raise continuously atoms in the lower energy level to the upper energy level. It requires energy to be supplied to the system. Pumping is the process of supplying the energy to the laser medium with a view to transfer it into the state of population inversion, because N1 is originally very much larger than N2. A larger amount of input energy is required to moderately or momently increase N2 to a value compared with the N1. Pump is the agency which supplies the energy. The number of techniques of pumping, a collection of atoms or inverted state, optical pumping, electrical discharge, and direct conversion are some of the method of pumping. The optical pumping, a light source, such a flash discharge tube is used to illuminate the active medium. This method is adopted in solid state laser. An electric discharge method, the electric field causes the ionization of medium and rises it to the excited state. In semiconductor diode, laser, a direct conversion of electrical energy into light energy takes place. Now next is the optical resonant cavity. Laser is a light source and it is analogous to electrical oscillator. An electronic oscillator is essentially an amplifier supplied with the positive feedback. A part of the output of the amplifier is taken and feedback as its input. When the amplifier is switched on, electrical noise signals of appropriate frequency present in the input will be amplified. The output is feedback to the input and amplified again, and so on. A stable output is quickly reached when the oscillator acts as a source of the particular frequency. Again, it is shown a diagram that the 100% reflecting plane mirror and then active medium and against semi-transparent medium, so that number of times reflection takes place and it comes out from the semi-transparent mirror. In laser, the active medium is amplifying medium. It is converted into an oscillator through the feedback of mechanism established by the optical resonator. A pair of optically plane parallel mirror is continues an optical resonant cavity. It is known as the Fabry-Perot resonator. One of these mirror is fully reflecting and reflects all the light that is incident on it. The other mirror is made partially reflecting, such that is more than 90% of the light is reflected and a small fraction of is transmitted to the laser medium. I think it's enough. Tomorrow we will start again.